It's very low on that side and very high.
It's actually broken, James.
It's leaked.
This car, the Dolly Sprint, was driven in the professionals.
Yes.
This featured in the video of Don't You Want Me Baby by the Human League. This was driven by Terry Scott in Terry and June.
Enough said.
Now, at this point, we'd normally receive our challenge, but spitefully, the production team said we had to drive 40 miles to go and get it. 40 miles? No problem at all.
To horse.
The key won't turn in my ignition.
Mine doesn't start at all.
Hang on, James. Which slovenly Midlander built this?
Eventually, the Rover screeched into life. I got my dolly going as well, and we were on our way.